Hello, welcome to this vlog. We are heading to the Rollercoaster Restaurant at Alton Towers. If you'd like to follow me, we will take you there. So as we're staying on site at the Splash Landings Hotel, the park actually closed about 2.5 hours ago. So the car park is dead. I'm hoping the restaurant is too. But you go in this like private entrance to get into the restaurant. I think it's next to Galactica, what used to be Air. And we're really excited for it, so let's go. Before we go in, we thought we'd have a quick explore because it's all open. So we're walking down towards Galactica, but look, it's all around us, it's so cool. We are.
You got a little tablet?
Yeah.
You didn't really know what to do then, did you?
No, I didn't. So yeah, you got your starters, your mains, your sides, desserts and drinks. You order what you want on here.
Oh,
that looks good, doesn't it?
Good.
£20 burger and corn on the cob. Oh, does look nice.
Our burger check. We always do a burger check to see how inexpensive a restaurant is. We expect it to be about £14, I'd say, is like the average.
So that's actually alright.
Yeah, this isn't too bad.
Or £1 cheaper if you're a vegetarian.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, you order your food on here and then it gets sent to the kitchen, which is up there. Can you see it? You're not panning over?
I will put a clip in there.
Oh, okay. And then when the food comes, did you say we prepare it ourselves?
Yeah.
Okay, because I think they used to do it, didn't they?
Yeah.
So we put the food together, but I'm trying to work out what our run's going to look like as well. So yeah, we'll have a little explore of this.
Down in little pods.
It has. It really scared the people next to us. I think this is yours then.
Okay.
So they did explain it when we got in here that because the food's made whenever and it's just shipped out as soon as it's done, sometimes there's a bit of a lag between each other's food. So like Dan's food, he's enjoying it. Dan's already got his. I'm still waiting for mine. But it is a big meal, so that's probably why we're waiting. But I ordered a J2O to come down as well. So that's just come too. Yeah, it's quite a lot. Oh my god, she's done it really easy.
How many meals have you ordered, Georgie?
It's a big meal, isn't it?
4.
Look, when it comes, you take it off and you slide these across. Now it's time to unpack.
Show us what's in a pot.
Okay.
Burger.
Mozzarella dippers, coleslaw and corn on the cob. Oh my gosh, that's so hot. They're my fries.
Dirty fries.
Oh, they smell so spicy. And then, more onions.
Oh. Why was I sharing?
I know. Look, you can have mine back.
I'm alright.
I'll give you a little one.
I'm alright.
There you go.
You ever seen that already?
What? I'm still plating up them. So they look dirty.
Are you going to get a birthday surprise?
Birthday surprise? Do you mean a celebration package? They're quite good though. So what is actually in it? Ooh. So you get a slice of rainbow cake with ice cream, a teddy bear, and a birthday poster. It's quite cool actually.
So that was it. We've just eaten in the Rollercoaster Restaurant. How was it for you, Georgie? So let's segment this. So, how are the roller coasters first?
The roller coasters are amazing to watch. I spent the whole time, people were having like romantic conversations and looking into each other's eyes. Me and you would just say like that.
Yeah.
Watching the stuff go around. Is this our food? That was quite good, and we worked out which track was ours as well, so we knew it's been loaded up. It's kind of a bit like Wagamama's, isn't it? It's kind of split up onto tables.
Yeah.
With a group of people, but it was alright. Just shove your food down to each other.
How are the drinks?
The drinks were nice.
We had a Wicker Man drink, wasn't it?
Wicker Man, I think it was
really nice.
Wasn't it orange juice with grenadine? So basically a tequila sunrise without the tequila, so just a sunrise.
In a shot glass.
In a shot glass. It was quite nice, although the ice melted very quickly.
How was the food?
It saved it with our dessert. We had a toffee sponge, that saved it. The burger you had a burger as well. What did you think of the burger?
I was really disappointed.
Yeah, it was like tough, cheap.
The hamburger was really,
Yeah, the roll wasn't
dry.
even nice either, was it?
No.
Customer service in there was really good.
Yeah.
But it was just the food let it down. Kind of go there for more of the experience.
And what about dessert?
Dessert is what saved it. It was really hot, really nice. We just ate it out with the tin, didn't we?
Yeah.
We couldn't be bothered to serve it onto a plate. Yeah.
Syrup sponge.
With custard.
Yum. Yum. So, and we got to use annual pass discount as well, which is like 20% off the bill, which is really
Yes, I think it was like
so don't forget
£56.
to use that.
It was 56, wasn't it? And we ended up getting it for I can't remember how much Dan paid, because he paid, I didn't.
Yeah. Would you recommend it to others?
I would for the experience, but maybe don't go for an expensive burger. Try something else. That'd be my recommendation. And dessert. Have dessert as well. So thanks for watching, we hope you enjoyed our vlog. Give us a thumbs up down below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. And don't forget you can follow us on Twitter @WanderingApple with an A. See you later.